Climate change is here and now. I see those impacts here at home on Monterey Bay, throughout coastal California, and beyond. From the dying coral reefs in the Caribbean to Amazonian wetlands, where I have just returned from the UN Climate Conference. UC Santa Cruz is uniquely positioned to lead in designing strategies that work with nature to protect people and the environment. We're developing approaches for farmers to get credits for restoring our groundwater. We've got new national and state policies adopted that get reefs recognized as natural infrastructure, opening significant new funding streams for them. We work with community-based fellows, including right here in Pajaro and also with the Garifuna and Mayan communities in Belize, to ensure that these communities get access to adaptation funds and resources for which they have often been denied. At UC Santa Cruz, we're working to restore the planet's natural resilience to ensure a healthy future here on the Central Coast, across California, and around the world.